How to switch to a TikTok Pro account. If you have a TikTok account and want to access more analytics about your profile, you can switch to a Pro account. To do this, first go to your profile page in the TikTok app and select the three dots in the top right-hand corner. From here, select Manage My Account. You'll then see an option to switch to Pro account. Select this. If you're sure you want to switch to a Pro account, click Continue. So that you can get customized analytics for your profile, select what category you fall under for your account. Then click Next. You can then select your gender or select Prefer Not to Say, and click Done. Your Pro account is now set up, and you'll see an additional Analytics tab in your settings where you can view more details about your profile's performance. And that's how to switch to a TikTok Pro account. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.